First, I'm going to cut my silk. So I want the top and the bottom to be 58 inches and the middle to be 60 inches. As you can see, it curves a bit. And then it's about 15.5 inches tall. Mind you, I'm giving it a little bit more so that way I can fold it over with the hem tape. As you can see, I'm pulling the silk tight, and I'm pretty much just using the end of my scissors because those are the sharpest area. Sharp scissors are very important for this, so I'm using fabric scissors. It's going to be a little jagged because it's silk, but that's okay. When we fold it over, you won't even see it. Time to plug your iron in and set it to silk. I'm going to fold over the hem, and I'm going to get the hem tape out and just make sure that it's going to be wide enough. So I tried to get the smallest hem tape I could. The first scarf I did, it was really big and it looked weird, so I like this thinner stuff. It just makes it look nice and neat. And so I'm just going to go down the whole scarf, draping it over the side as I go. The iron should keep the hem, and it will definitely have the line, so if it comes unfolded, don't fret, it'll just fold right back. It'll have that nice line, so when we put in our hem tape, we know where we're going. When I fold over the point, I just snip off the end where it overlaps. That just makes it into a nice pretty point. Now we're doing it again on the other side. All right. I'm going to get my hem tape and stretch it out and make sure it's going to fit the length of wherever I'm putting it, and then just cut it. And then I'll put it into the hem that I folded over, just tuck it on in there, and then we're going to hold the iron for 10 seconds. And I like to pick it up and put it down. You're not really supposed to slide it, because then that happens and it, you know, comes undone. So just be careful, just hold it down, and you'll see it'll be melted, and then you'll try to flap it up and it won't come. So just make sure that it's stuck. Also make sure that the shiny side is down, because that's where the glue is, and that'll make it stick. If it's up, it'll get stuck to the iron. So now that we have our scarf done, ooh, it's so pretty, I love it. I'm going to show you a couple ways that I like to tie it. Put it around my neck. Then I make sure I put the even sides. So I'm going to make a big bow. If you are envious of your baby having a bow bigger than her head, you've come to the right place. So I bring it around my head, then I tie a knot. And I basically just do bunny ears, you know, loop-de-loop. And pull. Now your head is looking cool. Ooh. Okay, so now I think that's a big bow. I like it. You can always make it bigger or smaller, you know, depending on what you want. Then I just just twist my sides, then kind of tuck it into my headband. Voila, it disappeared. Then I do the other side, same way. I just kind of curl it and then tuck it in and hide it. So if you're doing this on a kid, I would suggest bobby pins, because you know kids run around like crazy. Or even for you if stuff doesn't stay in your hair very well. I'm just lucky and stuff kind of stays. And I feel like this doesn't really slip that much. So I love it. I feel so fancy. Cute little bow. I got a lot of compliments the other day at this crafty thing, so I had to make it and show people, you know, how to make it so you guys can look fancy too. Or, you know, if you just want a giant bow on your head. Okay. So the second one I like to do is the hippie. So I bring it around here. I don't know if that's really what it's called. I just like to call it that. So I bring it around the back. I make sure it's even again, you know. So then I go to the back and I tie a knot. And then I tie another knot. So a double knot in the back. Woo! Okay. So then you can leave it in the back. Just have a nice cute headband. Let me fix my crazy hair. There we go. You just have a nice cute headband. You can drape it over your shoulders. That's kind of cute. Or just, you know, one side. It's pretty fun. You could even tie a bow back here if you wanted. That would look cute. So yeah. Now I'm going to do the Audrey Hepburn, as I like to call it. So I just drape it over, kind of make sure it's even, and then voila. Oh, look at that. I feel like a movie star. You know, when they had their convertibles with the top down and they didn't want to mess up their hair. So yeah, Audrey Hepburn. There's many other ways to tie this, so you can totally look that up. There's a bunch out there. There's crazy amounts. But these are just a couple of my favorite. So yeah, fun. So I'm going to do something I haven't done before, but I went to a girls' day out thing this last Sunday. Me and my friend went. It was so fun. They had all little boutique type things, you know, small businesses. There were so many crafty people there. I had so many awesome conversations. So I just wanted to talk about a couple of the highlights. Of course, first, people who know me know that I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. So if you don't know that, now you know. I love it. It's my favorite. Everything about it. Anyway, so first I found this lady who makes these really cute wallets, eyeglass cases, you know, purses, backpacks, but it's so cute. Flying keys with crazy colors. The best thing is I think she was from London, she said. She has family there, so she can get, you know, the insider fabric from London and Europe that we can't get. Oh, man. She had some cute stuff. I wanted to buy all of it, but unfortunately I can only just buy this wallet, but I love it. And she's going to LeakyCon in Denver, which I get to go to, so hopefully I can get more stuff then. But her name was Tanya. Tanya's Terrific Totes. I have her card, so I'm going to put, you know, the link below. If you want to check out her stuff, you know, just to help support women, that's what this whole day was about. So I thought I'd, you know, try to promote them because they have some cute stuff. So next, oh man, these are so cute. I don't know how you can see it, but look, they were the ends of bullets. Is that not the coolest thing? And then she puts like little gems in them. So had to get these because so original. Making bullets into earrings, that's so cool. Anyway, so I will put her stuff. It's called Rusty Glitter. I'll put her info in the link below as well. So nice. She was so sweet. She called me fancy. I know she's probably just trying to sell stuff, but she was so awesome and just fun to talk to. Like most of these ladies, you know, they're just trying to make a living, but they can still have fun. Then I didn't get anything of hers, but I wanted to so bad. But she painted rocks. And I know, when I first saw the sign, I was like, what? Painted rocks? But I went over there and her artwork was gorgeous. She finds like these river stones. She said she goes to quarries and like landscaping places, you know, because you can't just pick up stones like that. But they were super smooth and she just paints them. Like one was Albus Dumbledore, which you know I'm all about, and a couple Harry Potter things, and other cute stuff, you know, that I don't know that you might like, but you should totally check it out. It's called Rockmorphosis. Anyway, I have her card. So I'll put that below as well. You can check out her artwork. It was so awesome. She was a nice lady too. Then, of course, you can't go to a boutique type thing without finding some clothes. So I found a dress with pockets first off. Always a yes for me. I can't say no to a dress with pockets. It's just my weakness. Or a skirt. So look at this. It's super soft. Where are the pockets? Hold on. I can't find it now. Oh, there it is. Okay. Look at this pocket. It's actually a decent sized pocket. Like, I can fit my phone in there. That barely ever happens. And then, like, the bottom, it swoops. So it's it's a long dress, which I was worried about because I'm a short panda. But it slits up the side and it swoops, and oh my gosh, it's so soft. Only $25. I saw boutique and I was like, man, this is gonna be $50. I can't afford $50. Like, $50 for a dress, I'll spend it, but this is awesome, $25. Anyway, they are called the Style Lodge Boutique. They're in Ibadell, Oklahoma. Anyway, so nice, so sweet, and their stuff was all reasonably priced, which I love. So yeah, if you have a minute or you want to just check out some cool local, small businesses, those ones were my favorite of the day. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching Wednesdays We Craft, the No Sew headband. Ooh, it's so cute. I love it. If you make your own, please share it with me in the Wednesdays We Craft Facebook. I'll have the link below. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Pinterest, all that fun stuff. I'd love to see you every week, so please subscribe. Yay! See you next week.